Hi friends, in this video we are discussing the basic definitions. First one is Rodrigues formula, second one is orthogonality property of Legendre polynomials, and third one is generating function for Legendre polynomials. Okay, these are the basic formulas. Sometimes they are asking in the exam. That is why I am explaining in this video. Right.
Rodrigues formula. So, the statement of Rodrigues formula is the relation Pn of x. The relation Pn of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of n into n factorial into d to the power of n by dx to the power of n of x square minus 1 whole to the power of n. Okay, is known as Rodrigues formula. The Rodrigues formula is, here we have the relation Pn of x is equal to 1 by 2 power n into n factorial into d to the power of n by dx to the power of n of x square minus 1 power n. So from the Rodrigues formula we will get the Legendre polynomials. By substituting n is equal to 0, we will have p naught of x. If you put n is equal to 1, p1 of x, n is equal to 2, p2 of x. These are called Legendre polynomials. These Legendre polynomials at n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Friends, sometimes they will ask this question for the short answer. Okay. Friends, now we are discussing orthogonality of Legendre polynomials. Orthogonality of Legendre polynomials. Friends, previously we have discussed the Legendre polynomials are derived from the Rodrigues formula. Yes or no? Legendre polynomials we are derived from the Rodrigues formula. We are denoting with Pn of x. Now orthogonality of Legendre polynomials. Actually Pn of x is nothing but Legendre polynomial. So orthogonality is nothing but you require two Legendre polynomials. Consider Pn of x is one Legendre polynomial and Pm of x is another Legendre polynomial. Then the statement is, here you have integral from minus 1 to 1 Pm of x into Pn of x dx is equal to, this is 0 for m not is equal to n, and 2 by 2n plus 1 if m is equal to n. Okay friends, this is the orthogonality of Legendre polynomials. If Pn of x and Pm of x are two Legendre polynomials, then integral from minus 1 to 1 Pm of x into Pn of x dx is equal to 0 for m not is equal to n. And when both m and n are equal, then in this case the product of these two integrand total integral will be 2 by 2n plus 1. Okay, this is the statement of the orthogonality of Legendre polynomials. Okay, if you consider this is the second property, we have another one also, that is double integral. Second one is integral from minus 1 to 1 Pn of x. This also you can write Pn of x whole square is equal to 2 by 2n plus 1. How you written this one? From this only na? Next third one is, you can also write this as integral from minus 1 to 1 Pm of x into Pn of x is equal to 0 if m not is equal to n. So if you written this one is okay, or else you need to write these two. Is it clear for everyone? Friends, now we are discussing generating function for Legendre polynomials. We are discussing generating function for Legendre polynomials. Okay, they will ask only statement. Here you see the generating function for Legendre polynomials. We have 1 minus 2xz plus z square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite z to the power of n into Pn of x, where mod x less than 1 and also mod x is less than or equal to 1 and mod z is less than 1. I will repeat again. The generating function for Legendre polynomials is 1 minus 2xz plus z square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite z to the power of n into Pn of x. Friends, from this we will find out sum of the values. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.